Hello students, I am Kavita Singh from Samarpan Gnayn School and we will continue here our first chapter of 6th standard science, food, where does it come from. So in the previous class we learned that food is come from the animals and plants, means we can obtain food from the animals and the plant. So sprouts are also come from the plants. Okay, what are sprouts and sprouted seeds? So we will do one activity for that sprout seeds. What we do, we can when the seeds as moong or chana, gram or beans are kept deep in water for a day, then the soaked seed wrapped in a piece of wet cloth and set aside. After 2 or 3 days, a small white structure, you can see here, this is the small white structure, is grown in every seeds, right? So these white structure may grown out of the seeds, and this stage of seeds is called sprouted seeds, and these white structures are called sprouts. Okay, and these sprouts are very healthy food in our diet. Okay, these are very important because they have a lots of nutrients, vitamins. Okay, so it is very helpful in our food. Now here we can start food obtained from animals. Okay, which foods are obtained from animal? You can see here milk, butter, cheese, egg, curd, chas, buttermilk or etc. Okay, now some other are like fish, honey, meat and etc. They are the animal food product. Okay, now here we learn about the honey. Honey is rich in sugar, mineral and enzyme. It is used in Ayurvedic medicine. Honey is produced by honeybee from the nectar of flower. Okay, and it is convert into the honey and store in their hives. This is the hive of honeybee. They store their flower juice and contained into store in a hive, their hive, and it is an animal product because honeybee change the flower juice into the honey. We cannot change the flower juice into the honey, right? So it is the animal product. Okay, it is honey is obtained from the animals, and this is the honey. Okay, honeybee. Now here we can classify the animals into 3 categories. Okay, on the basis of their food habits. Okay, animals and humans do not make their own food. They eat the food prepared by the plant or eat the meat of the small animals. Okay, therefore all animals and humans are heterotropous, and depending on upon the food they eat, heterotropous can be divided into the 3 types, like carnivorous, herbivorous and omnivorous. Okay, now let's see one by one what is carnivorous, herbivorous and omnivorous. Now we will take first topic is herbivorous. Herbivorous animals means plant eaters, the animals that eat only grass. Okay, or grass or plant product, means they can eat only grass, plant or plant product. They cannot eat animal product. They can eat only plant product or plant. Okay, so these animals are called herbivorous. Okay, now here is the some examples: elephant, okay, and cow, deer, goat, grasshopper, hopper and etc. Okay, giraffe, deer, these are the zebra, these are the, you can see on your screen, these are the herbivorous animal. Okay, now let's see carnivorous animal. Carnivorous animals means meat eaters. The animals that eat meat or flesh. They cannot eat a plant or plant product. They can eat only meat or flesh of the other animals are called carnivorous, means they can depend on the only animals, animals like fish, meat and etc. Okay, they can depend on the animals product. Okay, so these animals are called carnivorous. For example, you can see here lots of example, and lion, tiger, jackal, frog, snake, lizard and etc. are the carnivorous. Here you can see the fox and the wolf and the mongoose. These are the carnivorous animal. Some animals such as kite and vulture, okay, eat flesh of dead animals. These are called scavengers. Okay, these are called scavengers. Now here the omnivorous. Omnivorous means they can eat both plant and meat eaters. They can eat plant product also and animal product also. So the animal that eat both plant and meat are called omnivorous. You can see the dog here. Dog is omnivorous because dog is eat meat or flesh also, and they can eat plant product also like chapati and vegetables, some vegetables. Okay, so these are the omnivorous. Now here the some example of animals. They are the omnivorous: hen, rabbit, crow, bear, pig and dog and cat and etc. Okay, cockroaches, ant and manna. These are the some other animals. They are the omnivores. Okay, now in this lesson we can understood that we can depend on the plants and animal for our food, right? And food items obtained from the plant: rice, wheat, pulses, fruits, vegetable and etc. And food item obtained from the animals like milk, cheese, curd, meat and eggs. So this lesson is finished here. We will meet into the next class. Okay.